In this short video, I will show you how to find your Airbnb profile address to link your account to your CohostMarket account. Step 1. Log into your Airbnb account using your chosen sign-up method. Step 2. On the upper right corner of the website, click on your profile image. In the drop-down, click on My Account. Step 3. Now you simply need to click on Go to Profile and copy and paste your Airbnb profile address. We also accept other reviews from Agoda, Booking, or TripAdvisor, but also Google Business Page, Facebook, or your own direct booking website.